Hello and thank you for visiting strobesandmore.com. My name is Louis and this is our brand new E64 LED light stick. So we've gotten rid of our old E46, gone to a 64, which means it has 6 diode modules. These are our E6 mini modules and there's 4 of them in the light head. We updated our modules with brand new optics, combination spot and flood. All these other companies make you choose between spot and flood optics. Customer get the light. They don't like the optics, but unfortunately they bought it. We built it. They're stuck with it. So we give you a combination optics. No more issues like that. You buy this one light, it's got the best of both worlds. And when you see the light output, you're going to be amazed. These modules are also field replaceable. Take out one little screw between the module you want to take out. You could pop it out, unplug it, swap out a module. If in the rare case you get a bad module, we can send you a replacement. You do not have to remove the light. All the other companies, you have to send the entire light back. Also, change positions in your fire department and you need to change some colors. Buy the modules, pop them right in, you're done. Comes with a 4-foot lead. Comes with all the mounting hardware. This light features a track in the back of the light so you can slide the mounts all along the back. If you want to surface mount this to somewhere, you can slide the screws to line them up wherever your holes are. Features 21 individual flash patterns and a full 5-year guarantee. Anything happens to this light in 5 years, you send it back, we send you a brand new one, or send the module back, send you a brand new module. I'm going to zoom out and demonstrate some of the flash patterns for you. As you can see, this light is blindingly bright. It features synchronized capability. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I'm going to scroll through some of the different flash patterns here. It breaks the modules up into different flash patterns. Flashes the whole light, individual. You can steady burn the whole light and use it with an external flasher. Most people don't do that. They use the built-in flash patterns. It does some random patterns. Has one pattern that scrolls through all the different patterns in the light itself. Different speeds. Again, 21 of the most popular flash patterns that are out there. So there you have it. This is our brand new E64 LED warning light. Any questions at all, give us a call here at Strobes and More. Buy this light and you will be amazed, trust me. We've had some on some demo vehicles with customers and they do nothing but rave about it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.